Hello dear friends, this is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss a cue card. Describe something that was broken in your home and then repaired. Now let's begin with the cue card. Describe something that was broken in your home and then repaired. When you speak on this cue card, you have to cover the following cues. You should say what it is, how was it broken, how you got it repaired, and how you felt about it. Now let's begin with the simple answer for this cue card. Well, in today's world, people prefer to buy new products instead of repairing the older ones. Here, I would like to talk about a time when I had to repair my broken laptop. Actually, last year, schools were closed even after the COVID-19 lockdown, so I had to attend classes from home. I used to attend classes and make assignments on my laptop. On one day when I was attending the class, I realized that I forgot to keep my workbook with me. As my turn was about to come, I quickly got up to find my workbook without noticing my laptop. So it dropped on the floor, which resulted in damaging its screen. At the same time, I could not do anything but regret my mistake. Unfortunately, it was out of warranty, so I had to repair it from a local store. I went to a technician who told me that it would cost rupees 3,000, which was a hefty amount for me. As I did not have any other option, I had to repair it at any cost. After paying some advance payment, he told me to wait for one day because they did not have the screen of that particular model. The next day, I went to shop to get my PC back. It was running very well after the repair work, and then I paid the remaining amount. The thing that I learned from this incident is that we should always keep our belongings safe. So that was the time when I repaired a broken item. So this was the simple answer for this cue card. Now we will look at the follow-ups for this cue card. Are IT related jobs valued more by society? Well, it's hard to say that the jobs related to information technology are more valuable than any other types of jobs for our society. However, due to increasing use of technological gadgets and applications, these jobs play an important role in various kinds of daily works like banking, trading, and shopping. Next question is the quality of products worse than before? Well, I partially agree with this statement. This is because these days products are of superior quality in terms of their material and functions, as they are more light in weight and have better finish, which was not the case in the past. However, the durability of today's products is not up to the mark. Next question is, what kinds of things do people like to repair by themselves? I think these days people can repair almost everything on their own just by using the technology. There are many YouTube videos related to almost any particular topic, which can help us to learn something new. For example, recently I repaired my dishwasher just by following instructions from a YouTube video. Next question is, why do people like to get their mobile phones repaired in specialized stores? I would say people get their smartphones repaired by official stores because they have trust in their service and products. When we replace any part of our device from an authorized store, we get a warranty for it, which is not the case with local shops. These were the follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the new notification when we upload a video. We also live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Do follow us there for latest updates. Thank you for being here.